Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you a simple wiring trick that can save you if you get stranded with an electrical problem and you need to hook two wires together but you don't have any butt connectors or electrical tape or anything like that or any wire nuts. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this piece of wire, find the middle part, and I'm just going to strip off. This is going to be, say you have a broken wire, now you have two pieces of wire and you have to connect them, and you don't have any butt connectors or wire nuts. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip off probably about an inch, maybe a little more. Okay, we got the one. Make sure these are even. Yeah, those are pretty much even. So what you're going to want to do is, after you have your two wires, stripped, you want all the strands of copper to be straight. You don't want to twist them or anything, you just want them to be straight. So what you're going to do is you're going to put them side by side, and then you're going to take one piece of wire from this side and wrap it around. So now you have that. So you have one strand of wire wrapped around like that. Then you're going to take one piece of wire from this side and wrap it around. Then you're going to take a piece of wire from this side and wrap it around. And you're going to do that all the way to the top. I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Alright, here's what your final product should look like. You have each of your strands, keep taking them down and wrapping them around the main strand. Then at the very end, once you get like a ½ inch left, take half of your strands and bend them over, and then take the other half of your strands and bend them over the other way. And then you can take a pair of pliers and really smash them down. And then you can, if you have electrical tape, you can wrap this in electrical tape and keep it safe that way. If the wires can't be side by side like this, then you can just fold this out like this and fold it over and tape it up that way, and it's strong. This is arguably probably stronger than a butt connector. If you put this and you pull on this, you can break it apart, but let me see if I can break it. You can see whenever you pull on it, you're going to start breaking strands of wire before you're actually going to break the connection. So I hope you enjoyed it. that's one simple trick that you can do if you have a wiring problem and you're broke down and you need to get home. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.